All right, time for some Monday birthdays across the 4 states. We're beginning in Bronson with Harlan Spainhoward celebrating birthday number 4. Happy birthday.
Next, we have Gabriel Sanders, who's turning 6 from Joplin, Missouri. And there's a note saying, "We love you so much, Momo."
All right, we've got Carson Tate celebrating number 8 in Chanute with love from Aunt Rachel and the rest of the family.
Okay, we have Brooklyn Lowmiller turning 14, an 8th grader at Pittsburgh Middle School.
And we've got Alexia and Malaya Ludwig celebrating number 15, obviously some twins, in Parsons, and they attend Labette County High School. It's Alex is on the left and Malaya is on the right. Okay, all right, so it is Alexia. See, this is what, it's Monday morning, guys. Happy birthday, either way.
Okay, next we have Bo Bedine, who's turning 17 from Pittsburgh.
And Jake Harris also celebrating number 17 in Jasper. Happy birthday, Jake.
Next we have Caleb Bully, that's in quotations, Rydener, who's turning 21, who's from Pittsburgh.
And also celebrating Tessie Rittenauer, which is Caleb's aunt. Her birthday was yesterday. She celebrates number 44 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
Okay, we have Jacob Jennings, who's turning 33.
And Ira Hornia celebrating number 41. Happy birthday, Ira.
We have Margie Sinclair, who's turning 67. Her birthday was actually Friday, and she's from Pittsburgh.
And we've got Lonnie Yarnell celebrating number 75 in Erie. Happy birthday.
Then we have John Bolander, who's from Parsons, Kansas.
And Ann Keller celebrating in McCune on Saturday. Happy birthday, Ann.
Next, we have John and Vicki Harris celebrating their 30th anniversary from Quapaw.
And it's a 51st anniversary for Randy and Patty Robinson in Columbus. Happy anniversary.
Next, we have Owen Varner, who's turning 11.
We've got Eliza Wells celebrating number 13 on Sunday. Happy birthday.
Chris Severt, 39, and his birthday was Saturday.
Nancy Renfro celebrating in Columbus.
Shirley Ives from Joplin, Missouri.
Bill Wilson celebrating over in Weir.
And Jesse Coolidge, birthday was yesterday on Sunday.
And Jackson Cox also celebrating a Sunday birthday. Now that is a birthday list worth celebrating right there. Let's keep it up. Carrie, how can they keep it up for us?
Well, if you want to be part of our birthday club.
Nope. Where do they need to send their birthdays to?
Yes, they need to send their birthdays to KOAMNews.com/birthdays.
All right, and of course you can also email them in to us at birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com as well. And then as Carrie was alluding to, it's that birthday club. Take time to sign up for it. You just go to KOAMNewsNow.com, you sign up for that birthday club, you get special deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM, so make sure you take time to sign up for the birthday club today.